What's up, guys? Will here. Welcome back to another episode of the Complete Papa John's review. Today we are on our technically ninth specialty pizza. There's a fly trying to bug me. Go towards the fucking light, or that light, whatever. Get the fuck away from me and the food. So yeah. Welcome back to the Complete Papa John's review. Again, like I said, we're tackling our ninth specialty pizza, and we are going with the barbecue chicken and bacon. So as the name implies here, we got barbecue sauce, grilled chicken, bacon, and onions as well on this pizza. So yeah, it's literally the same exact thing as the fiery buffalo chicken, just with barbecue sauce instead of buffalo sauce. So yeah. They really, what's the word I'm looking for? Shut the fuck up, cat. Unbelievable. They really made these two stand out here from one another. With, yeah, their toppings being exactly the same. But, you know, personally, I think I prefer barbecue chicken pizzas over buffalo chicken. But we'll see how this goes here. Anyways, though, it's time to open the box, and this is what we're working with here, and it does look pretty good, I must say. Got our sauce and pepper, as always. Y'all can see the chicken, you can see some of the bacon right there, and there's some of the onions. Just so you guys know, this is not the Canadian bacon. Neither one of these are Canadian bacon, the buffalo or the barbecue chicken. It's just regular, does it say smoked bacon? No, it just says regular bacon, but yeah, whatever. Anyways, though, enough dilly-dallying and talking here. Let's just dive right in, grab ourselves a slice here, and yeah, here's what we're working with. Looks pretty good, but will it taste good? Most likely. Let's find out. Yep, pretty good. Can't say I'm too surprised with this, honestly. Just a good old classic barbecue chicken. That's all I really gotta say. With bacon on it. Most of the time, with barbecue chickens, you will find onions on them. But you won't really find bacon on them a whole lot of time. But bacon does go well with this. It's good though. Very good. And you might be my breakfast for work tomorrow. Yeah, probably. Alright. With that being said, this concludes yet another specialty pizza here. Rating this out of 10. Honestly, it does the job well for a barbecue chicken pizza. I can't really complain. I should have asked for more barbecue sauce, but you know, that would be, I think, a little bit cheating there. But yeah, chicken's pretty good. The onions and the bacon definitely add on to it. Barbecue sauce is good as well. I'll just probably just give this an 8 out of 10, honestly. Nothing wrong with it. Could it be better? Probably. Could it be worse? Definitely. But yeah, it's just a solid 8 out of 10 for me for the barbecue chicken here. So yeah, anyways, hope you all have enjoyed this fucking fly bothering me. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And tune in next time where we will tackle the garden fresh pizza. Looking at it, I think this is literally just a veggie pizza here, looking at the toppings. But yeah, we'll see what that is in the next episode, and I'll see you all next time.